All right, in today's video, we're talking about how to master your conversational skills using what I call the elevator technique, all right? The reason I coined this is because you're gonna practice it when you're in an elevator. That's right. The beautiful thing about this technique is that I'm gonna give you a framework that you can use. So none of this, the advice people give you when they're like, oh, you'll just get better with time. You gotta keep practicing. That's not useful. You need a framework, okay? So this is called the elevator technique. And once again, you're in an elevator. The reason why is because in an elevator, you have a short time period in order to have a conversation. That's how you're going to master your conversational skills, by putting yourself in forced environments under pressure. Okay. Now let's break down this method. It's going to be done using a 3-step process that I call greet, eat, and then fleet, okay? In case you're wondering, yes, it rhymes. I did it intentionally. It's gonna be very easy for you to remember. Greet, eat, fleet. That's it, super simple. Now, this technique can be used for a variety of reasons. Maybe you wanna talk to a pretty girl. Maybe you wanna talk to someone at your company that is working in a division that you wanna work in. So maybe you wanna just try to build some rapport to maybe get that promotion. Maybe it's a new coworker that you wanna just talk to and hang out with. You can use it in any of these scenarios. That's the beautiful thing about the elevator technique. What you are doing is walking into the elevator, greeting the person, then you're gonna have something to talk about, in this case, lunch or food, and then you're gonna end the conversation, okay? Hence, greet, eat, and then fleet. Now, let me break down the steps and show you how it works one by one. So greet, all right? So you walk into the elevator, hey, how you doing? Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's your day going? Hey, I haven't seen you around, how you doing? Any of these will be fine, okay? Eat, you know any good places to eat around here? Hey, I noticed you had a bag the other day. What kind of food was that? Was that Indian food, Mexican food, Chinese food? What was that? Do you have any idea of where I can get some healthy food? These are just some examples. I'm just going to give you high level how this works, and then we'll role play at the end, okay? And then fleet meaning to get out of there. All right, we'll see you later. All right, well, take it easy. Have a nice day. Now, let me show you how this works in real time, because that's what matters here. So let's assume, for the sake of simplicity, that you only got 30 seconds in the elevator max. Sometimes it may be 10 seconds, sometimes it may be in a minute and a half or 5 minutes if you live in New York City and it's a really slow elevator, okay? So let's pretend, again, we only got 30 seconds in the elevator, so we gotta work fast. And again, we want to work fast. That's the whole point of this technique. Put yourself in situations where you're forced to adapt quickly to other people, okay? So now I'm gonna hit start, and that start button is gonna be the cue as if we just walked in the elevator, okay? Hey, how you doing? Good, I'm well, thanks for asking. Hey, I saw you here last week and you had this to-go bag with you. I wasn't sure if it was Chinese food or Mexican food. Do you know any good places to eat around here? Oh, okay, and it's one block down? Awesome, thank you so much, appreciate it. All right, well, this is actually my stop. Thanks again for the advice, and have a wonderful day. It's nice weather out there. All right, take it easy. Done, less than 30 seconds. We were able to greet, eat, talk about eating, and then fleet. We were able to get out of there very kindly, very professionally, no games. Very simple, very straightforward. This technique, again, can be used for a variety of situations. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is take the framework that I just laid out, greet, eat, fleet, and just do it. And you can use this anywhere. Maybe you live in a building with an elevator. Maybe a company that you're interviewing with has elevators in their building. Maybe you're visiting your mom or your friend that lives in a building with an elevator. Wherever you are in a situation where there's an elevator, I want you to start using this. And you're gonna see how much smoother you become, because it forces you to adapt to different people, to adapt to different situations under the pressure of time, okay? And that's the key here. You only got a short window to work with. You wanna make the most of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. Oh, also, I'm looking for new ideas for video content. So if you got something, please let me know in the comments. Clearly, you're watching this video because you're looking for some advice, which is great. I'm happy you stumbled upon this video. If you have any concerns or if you have any questions that you need help with, this is your opportunity. Let me know in the comments what you need help with. Not only will I reply, I'll potentially make a video about it as well. Just let me know. Let's have that conversation and we'll take it from there. All right. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. You guys have a good day. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.